first pioneer to against foreign 嗰啲叫做emperors，然後同埋係咯。
嗰啲咩warlords 啊，嗰啲嘅軍閥
warriors 係屬於自己 domestic 嘅咯，
係啦。
domestic 嘅 warlord。咁然後係咯，佢哋呢個地方就係攞嚟開會嘅 meeting。Yeah, some people stand here and then to organize the people together here. Inspire them. Okay. To against the government. Okay. Do you know much history about from 1840s? But actually, at that time, because of the weakness of the Qing dynasty, yeah. So I think it's the main point of the Opium War because of the weakness. 然後呢種門咧又係好特別嘅，即係西關大屋咧，我哋平時講呢種叫趟龍門。趟龍門 ，this gate is very special, especially in Canton and maybe 中山呢隻貓好得意。係啊，佢有啲驚。
雀仔雀仔係啊，
都好多人養狗嘅喎，應該美國嗬。
係啊係啊。
我哋可能要向前行，係咪咁？就有1、2、3、4啦。
哦，咁啊明白啦，咁啊係咯，如果唔係你8號、9號、10號、11號咪得咯，入邊係。嗰間又好舊。
係啦，因為佢呢個係8號之一，咁跟住再往入邊先有。咁啊係睇下係繼續往9號咯，定係7號咯？
係啊，哇，8號之一。
好重心。哦，the gate special is just for to prevent the kids. Yeah, go outside and because if they're playing, if they want to go outside, this gate, the design of the gate will trap the children. Yeah, the dad will trap there, and then they will remember that. 呢啲窗其實呢種綠色嘅，佢可以完全咁樣關住嘅。呢種窗
係應睇下嘢。
因為以前大嘅團隊咧，一般佢哋就直接行咗去紀念館嗰邊㗎啦，
哦，
即係冇咁多時間，
係啊，
跟住又唔會再睇呢一邊，即係屬於故區嘅部分，因為呢度屬於比較即係感興趣嘅人就會順便睇埋，係有啲係啊，有啲係啊，有啲遊客咧，佢哋就淨係睇紀念館度打個卡咁樣。我哋可以慢慢。不可以找了，不能找了。这个9块，这个9块。带来的不要都。9块。